How to make your story private on Snapchat. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to make private story on Snapchat. First of all, open up your Play Store, App Store, and make sure you update your Snapchat app. After you update the Snapchat app, now go back and open the Snapchat app like this. After you open your Snapchat now, tap on your profile at the top left side. After you open your profile, now tap on this settings gear icon to access your settings. After you come to this settings now, scroll to down and tap on this. Under this privacy control, tap on this view my story. In this section now, here it says who can view my story. So now it's set to only friends. So now only your friends can be able to see your story. If you want to block some of your friends from viewing your story, you can tap on this custom button. In this section, you can be able to see all your friends. You can go ahead and select the friends that you don't want them to view your story. After you select the friends, you can tap on this block button. So now these friends cannot be able to see your story if you post. So now you can go ahead and post your story by blocking some people that you don't want them to view your story. That's it guys on how to make a private story on Snapchat. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching guys. We'll meet in the next video.